Hi everyone, it's Karen Redman, the Mayor of the town of Gawler here once again with our weekly update in response to the world pandemic, which is COVID-19. And aren't we doing really, really well? Oh wow, I just can't tell you how privileged I am to be part of a community, and lots of birds as you can hear, isn't it gorgeous? Part of a community that all know how to do the right thing and help each other. We're not thinking just about ourselves, we're thinking about everyone around us, and collectively we're nailing these numbers, which are, zero. Isn't it fantastic? But we've just got to keep doing the right thing, don't we? But we are now able to open up and start venturing out of our lockdown, aren't we? And so that's why we're here at the Willaston Playspace together this afternoon, and it is a beautiful little play space at the Willaston Oval in, of course, beautiful part of Gawler, Willaston, but I am a little bit biased because I do live in Willaston. But it's my privilege today to welcome Jack Darzanos. Jack is one of our wonderful council team, and Jack is in charge of environmental services. And there's a reason I've invited you here today, Jack, and this is around Jack's team's work with local businesses and our local community, making sure people are doing the right thing, but also supporting everybody through this pandemic. So Jack, welcome. I thought we'd have a chat today about what your team's doing and how you're helping making a difference to getting through this pandemic.
Well, thank you, Mayor Redman, and hello everyone. It's just wanted to let everyone know that the team at Gawler Council, since the introduction of the emergency declarations, has been working very hard with the business community and the community of Gawler. And to date, we've probably, since about mid-March, we've visited about 406 businesses and premises in Gawler, providing advice, providing assistance, making sure everyone understands the declarations and the requirements that the state government has put out in relation to COVID, social distancing and, how to operate your business and what hours and what you need to do to ensure that, you're meeting the requirements. And the environmental health officers in particular have done a fantastic job and have worked very, very closely with our community.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you for sharing that and just telling us a little bit about the work that the officers are doing and interacting with our local businesses and our local community. And I know that you're doing a fantastic, not just because I know that you're a fabulous worker and that you always do a fantastic job, but the feedback I'm getting from the community is just outstanding about the work that everyone's doing, including your team. So I'd like to say thank you on behalf of everyone who's listening today, because we are all in this together, aren't we? But he's in charge of playgrounds and the dog park. And we are going to be opening up our playgrounds and our dog park and our fitness equipment as well. Is that right?
That's correct. We're working very hard to introduce the new requirements that the Chief Public Health Officer has just released, which is opening up all playgrounds. And we will be aiming to get most of the playgrounds up and running by about Friday.
Oh, that's
with
great.
some advisory signage, at all the playgrounds, just letting people know that, please, keep the 10 people rule in place.
Yep. Social
distancing of 1.5 metres, and also, washing your hands before and after using the playground. So it's just some basic, simple rules.
They are simple rules, and collectively I think we're all doing the right thing. Washing your hands for 20 seconds, making sure you rinse off really well, remembering what you touch and, not touching your face, all that sort of stuff. Covering your mouth when you cough. It's pretty simple, but it's working. It's really, really working. But I can't wait, because I've got a grandson, and I can tell you he loves playing on playgrounds. But even he, at the age of 3.5, knows about coronavirus. He knows about washing his hands, and that playgrounds have been a problem because there's a potential for spread. So because we've got such a low rate, in fact, we're not getting any evidence of any spread. There may well be 1 or 2 people, so we still have to be careful. And I know that he and many of his friends will be really, really excited, and families and parents who are really looking for things to do. And our playgrounds are fantastic. We've got such a wonderful array. You look after them really well, by the way, as the king of playgrounds and dog parks. So they're going to be open. Please obey the rules, which I know you will do. Remember, we're all in this together. I just want, so thank you, Jack, for that. Thank you for really putting in the work and enabling our playgrounds to really open safely. There will be signs, but, you know, as I said, let's all do the right thing and enjoy what we have. I want to mention 2 more things. One is the Willaston Traffic Management Survey. There's been over 200 responses to the paperwork that went out to Willaston residents. We're currently working through that. Thank you so much to the people that responded. For those of you who haven't responded, please do so. There'll be more opportunity as we bring out some more documents. Elected members are having a workshop tonight, and we'll be discussing around Willaston traffic management, which is a really important piece of work. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about just quickly before we go is we are doing some work around the entranceways to Gawler. We've got a bit of a beautification project looking for ideas of our entranceways. I know I've been approached by a number of people over the years who are really keen to improve the look of our entranceways. I'm very much an advocate for that. We need to look at what we can do within a reasonable budget, but your ideas are always welcome. So that piece of work is coming soon, so watch out for that. I won't talk about boundary reform because that was all over the front page today of the Bunyip, which that's a really interesting development, but there'll be plenty of commentary around that, I think, on our council website going forward and our council Facebook pages, so please engage with that. I very much enjoy your feedback, as do all the elected members and of course staff. Thank you, Jack, for coming along. Have a great day, won't you?
Thank you. Yes.
Everyone have a great day. See you.